Hello, lovely people. Hope you are all doing well. Hope you are doing good, and hope you are still keeping safe. You are highly welcome to my channel today. Thank you for stopping by. Today we'll be making Nigerian buns. I'll be showing you the easiest and the simplest way to make Nigerian buns at home. Just very easy to make. Sit back, watch till the end. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, make sure you comment. Don't forget, it's still your girl Chioma. Sit back and enjoy this video. I'll be making use of 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Please make sure you measure well. That's what I'm measuring now. Make sure you measure very well. 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. That's what I'll be using. Then I'll be making use of baking powder. I'll be making use of 2 teaspoons of baking powder. That's 1 teaspoon. I will add 2 teaspoons of baking powder. You see the way I will measure it. Please make sure you measure when it comes to baking, frying, and whatever. You have to measure well. That's 1. Then that's 2. Then I'll be making use of evaporated milk. I'll be making use of 3 tablespoons of evaporated milk. So I've added 1 tablespoon now, remaining 2 tablespoons to make it 3 tablespoons. So that's what I will use. As you're watching, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, and make sure you comment. Please support us, support this channel to grow. So coming to other things I'll be using, I'll be making use of sugar. That's my sugar. It's homemade buns. I don't want too much sugar, so I'm making use of 1/3 cup of sugar. That's my egg. I'm making use of just 1 egg for this my buns. 1 egg. Then that's my nutmeg. I'll just a dash of nutmeg. You see the way I will put it in my mix as I'm mixing. Then I'm making use of 1/2 cup of water. Guys, I'll be using 1/2 cup of water for this my buns because I want it to be crunchy. So coming to my butter, that's my butter. I'll be making use of 2 tablespoons of butter. It's salted butter, so I won't be adding salt. If your butter is unsalted, you add salt. Then that's my baking powder. I've showed you before how I measured it, 2 tablespoons, and that's my all-purpose flour, and that is my evaporated milk. So guys, let's start. Sit back, make sure you watch till the end. So guys, the first thing I'll be doing is to sieve my all-purpose flour and my baking powder. Once I sieve the both, I will start mixing. Make sure you watch till the end. Make sure you comment. Make sure you subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel and watch till the end. Happy viewing. So guys, our buns is ready. It's very easy to make. It's homemade. So after watching this video, you can now make your buns at home for your kids, for your family. So guys, that's the way we make buns in Nigeria. Hope you will try it out. It's very delicious, very crunchy. In fact, it's so nice. I wish you tested it with me. Thank you so much guys for watching. For all my returning subscribers, I really appreciate. For those that are yet to subscribe, please subscribe. Thank you so much for always supporting me. Thank you so much. That's all I can say for now. And remain ever blessed. God will keep blessing you all. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video, guys. Bye bye.